Here we are, February 17th. Here is Penelope Hope. She is doing the puzzle that Daddy bought her for Valentine's Day. Did you say thank you to Daddy?
Thank you.
Yeah, that was cute of him. And Hannah Beatrice is just figuring out how to jump in her Jolly Jumper. Good girl, Hannah. Good girl. You're really getting it. What a pro. What a pro. Let's see your pretty little face. Say hi. Show us your dimples. Can you smile and show your dimples? Concentrating. Concentrating. Okay. Alright, Penelope, say hi to Noni and Dito down in Florida.
Hi.
Can you say see you soon?
Hi.
Say see you soon.
Hi,
Yeah. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.